Hey everyone, ever wonder how some businesses just seem to have that steady, predictable revenue stream month after month, year after year? It's not magic. It's often memberships. And if you're a home service business using ServiceTitan, you're sitting on a goldmine of opportunity to create that very same stability. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage ServiceTitan to build out robust, revenue-generating membership programs that keep your customers coming back for more and your technicians busy all year round. Think about it. What's one of the biggest challenges for any service business? The feast or famine cycle, right? One month you're swamped, the next you're twiddling your thumbs. Memberships are the antidote to that. They create recurring revenue, improve customer retention, boost your average ticket size, and even out your workload. Imagine having a significant chunk of your annual revenue locked in before you even open your doors each January. That's the power we're talking about. Now, you might be thinking, memberships? That sounds complicated. Do I need a whole new system? Absolutely not. ServiceTitan, the platform you're likely already using for dispatching, invoicing, and customer management, has all the tools you need to build and manage a thriving membership program. From setting up different tiers to automating billing and scheduling, it's all there, waiting for you to unlock its potential. Let's break down the core components of creating successful memberships within ServiceTitan. We'll start with the foundational elements and then move into some advanced strategies. The first step is defining your membership tiers and benefits. This is where you get creative and decide what value you're offering to your customers. Don't just think about discounts. Think about convenience, peace of mind, and priority service. For an HVAC company, a basic tier might include annual tune-ups and a discount on repairs. A premium tier could add things like priority scheduling, waived dispatch fees, and even annual plumbing or electrical inspections. For a plumbing company, it might be annual drain camera inspections, water heater flushing, and emergency lockout services. Get specific with your offerings. What problems are you solving for your customers? What makes their lives easier? List out all the benefits clearly for each tier. Once you have your tiers defined, you need to configure them in ServiceTitan. This is where the magic starts happening in the software. You'll go into the Pricebook section and create your membership types. Each membership type will correspond to one of your defined tiers. Within each type, you'll specify the services included, the frequency of those services, the cost, and any associated discounts. This is crucial for automation later on. You can set up recurring billing cycles monthly, quarterly, annually, whatever works best for your business and your customers. Next, you'll need to associate specific services with your memberships. This means going into your existing services in the Pricebook and linking them to the appropriate membership tiers. For example, if your Gold membership includes an annual HVAC tune-up, you'll link your HVAC tune-up service to that Gold membership. This allows technicians to easily see what's covered when they're on a job, and it ensures that the correct pricing and benefits are applied automatically. Now, let's talk about selling memberships. This is where your frontline team comes in. ServiceTitan empowers your technicians and customer service representatives to seamlessly offer and enroll customers in memberships. When a technician is on site and completing a job, ServiceTitan can prompt them with relevant membership offers based on the services performed or the customer's equipment. Imagine a technician finishing an AC repair and ServiceTitan suggests a Comfort Club membership that includes a free annual tune-up and a discount on future repairs. This makes selling an organic part of the service process, not a forced upsell. Training your team on the value proposition of your memberships is absolutely critical. They need to understand the benefits, be able to articulate them confidently, and overcome common objections. Role-playing different sales scenarios can be incredibly effective. Remember, your technicians are trusted advisors, and their recommendation carries significant weight. Once a customer is enrolled, managing memberships in ServiceTitan becomes incredibly efficient. ServiceTitan automates the billing process, sending out invoices or processing credit card payments on schedule. This eliminates manual tracking and reduces administrative burden. Furthermore, ServiceTitan helps you manage the scheduled services included in your memberships. You can easily see which customers are due for their annual tune-up or inspection, allowing you to proactively schedule those appointments and maintain consistent service. Beyond the basics, ServiceTitan offers powerful features for membership reporting and analytics. You can track key metrics like membership enrollment rates, churn rates, average membership value, and the revenue generated from memberships. This data is invaluable for understanding the health of your program, identifying areas for improvement, and making informed business decisions. Are certain tiers more popular than others? Are customers dropping off after a certain period? This kind of insight allows you to refine your offerings and marketing strategies. Consider implementing renewal reminders and incentives. ServiceTitan can automatically send out notifications to customers whose memberships are nearing expiration, prompting them to renew. You can even offer renewal bonuses or loyalty discounts to encourage continued participation. This proactive approach significantly reduces churn and keeps your recurring revenue stable. Finally, think about integrating your memberships with your marketing efforts. ServiceTitan's customer database is a goldmine for targeted marketing campaigns. You can segment your customers based on their membership status, or lack thereof, and tailor your messaging accordingly. Run promotions for new membership signups, or create exclusive offers for existing members to enhance their loyalty. Building a successful membership program in ServiceTitan isn't just about setting up a few buttons. It's about transforming your business model. It's about creating a predictable revenue stream, fostering deeper customer relationships, and empowering your team to deliver exceptional service. It's about moving away from the transactional nature of one-off jobs and towards a long-term, mutually beneficial partnership with your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.